everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my apartment. I'm currently staying in a 1 BHK apartment. So this is the entrance of my apartment. This is the main door. Beside the door there is a small shoe rack. This is where I keep all my footwears, and then there is the study table. So I use this as a study table as well as a dining table. I've already uploaded a desk makeover video. If you haven't watched that, please do watch it. You can see how I decorated this table. As you can see, this is like two different wallpapers. I wanted this one on the entire table, but when I bought it, it was not enough. I ordered this thinking that it would be of the same pattern as this, but this one came different. Near the study table is the balcony area. There is a small door separating the balcony and the rest of the apartment. It's a very small space, and when you open it, I keep all the mops and broom here. And then there is the washing machine and the gas cylinder. So the washing machine and the cylinder takes up most of the space, but the view is amazing and I love spending time here in the evenings. Behind me you can see the kitchen area. So this is my favorite place because I love cooking. Before we go to the kitchen, there is a stool and it has the water can. The kitchen didn't have much of a storage space, so I ordered two stands online. One I use for all my glasswares and the other one to store the spices. I use a gas stove and not induction. This is where I keep the stove, and I really like the tiles, the design of the tiles in this kitchen. And this is my potted plant. I ordered it from Amazon or Flipkart, I'm not sure. This is the washing area, and I keep all the utensils to dry in a drainer. There is some storage spaces as well, like cupboards above and below the slab. This is a fully furnished apartment, so I got a refrigerator, washing machine, AC, etc. My first year roommate, she gave me this fridge magnet when she went to Coorg. I've never been to Coorg, so yeah. That's the entire view of the kitchen. It's not too big, not too small. There is a TV in the hall, and then there is a small storage unit as well. So where I keep some of my makeup items and my chargers, cables, my clips, etc. And below that compartment, I keep the extension cord, my bag, and some stationeries. And then there is a Wi-Fi router, modem, and some cables. This was a mattress I used to use in my hostel, so this is for single bed. When I moved to the apartment, carrying this mattress was such a difficult task. And when I came here, the apartment already had a queen size bed. So I didn't know what to do with this mattress. So I'm like, I'll just keep it here to save some space. This is the bed, right? So when I'm watching TV, I take out this bed from here and I put it over here so that I can easily watch the TV while laying down. This is the kitchen and this is the bedroom. So now let's open it. When you enter, this is what you see. This is the washroom. So yeah, this is the washroom door, and towards the left you can see the storage space. I ordered this from Flipkart, and yeah, this is like such a lifesaver for me. I keep most of my items here. If you watched my room makeover video, you would know that the decorations were a bit different. Yes, so I redid it like a few days back, and I think I like this one better, especially this table. I love it. use this table as a bedside table as well as an on-bed table. On the other side of the room, I have my laundry bag. Yeah, it is damaged because when I gave it to the hostel laundry place, yeah, it came out damaged. And then there are some suitcases and bags. This bag was a birthday gift from one of my friends and I really love it. I take it everywhere. And then there is a small wardrobe in the room where I keep all my clothes. As you can see, this room has two aesthetics. Like, one is the cozy little setting over here, as you can see, and the other one is this side where it is not that aesthetic. For instance, I can't change this cupboard. Like, if I want to make it white, I can't. I'm renting this apartment and I can't do anything, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't make good use of this side. In your life too, there would be good things and bad things. Just because you have some past memories that you're not able to get out of, that doesn't mean you can't change the rest of your life. This is the first thing that comes to my mind whenever I enter this room. This was a very small apartment tour. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, see you soon.